Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at an interesting piece of kit for FPV enthusiasts, specifically an upgrade quad frame kit designed for the Mark4 V2 aircraft, a 10-inch FPV drone frame. This isn't just any frame. It's built with some specific features that make it stand out. One of the first things you notice about this frame is the arm thickness. It features a 2.5 millimeters thick arm design. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but that thickness is crucial. It's engineered to provide a balance that makes the drone more flexible in certain maneuvers while also maintaining stability during flight. This combination is something pilots often look for, allowing for both agile movements and steady cruising, especially important for a 10-inch platform often used for longer flights or carrying larger payloads. The material used is, as expected for a quality FPV frame, carbon fiber. This is a standard choice for a reason. Carbon fiber is known for being incredibly lightweight, yet remarkably strong. This frame leverages that property, offering a structure that can withstand impacts and the stresses of high-speed flight without adding unnecessary weight that would compromise flight time or performance. The description highlights that it's designed with long-range FPV in mind, which makes sense given the 10-inch size, but it's also noted as being great for other drone applications, suggesting its versatility beyond just long-distance cruising. Ease of use and maintenance are also key aspects of this frame kit. It features replaceable arms, which is a significant plus. In the world of FPV, crashes happen, and being able to easily swap out a damaged arm without having to replace the entire frame saves time and money. This design choice makes it suitable for a wide range of pilots, from beginners who might be more prone to bumps and scrapes to senior players who appreciate the convenience and ease of maintenance. The overall design is described as easy to assemble, which is always a welcome feature for anyone building or repairing a drone. The frame kit is presented as suitable for both beginners and experienced users, striking a balance between performance capabilities and sturdiness. This suggests it's not overly complex for someone new to building or repairing, yet robust enough to handle the demands placed on it by more aggressive or experienced pilots. It aims to provide a solid foundation for a reliable FPV build. Finally, the aesthetic appeal is mentioned. The drone frame is said to have a stylish appearance that helps it stand out from other frames on the market. While performance and durability are paramount, having a frame that looks good is certainly a bonus for many builders who take pride in the appearance of their custom drones. In summary, this 10-inch FPV drone frame kit for the Mark4 V2 appears to be a well-rounded option. Its 2.5 millimeters carbon fiber arms offer a good mix of flexibility and strength, making it suitable for various flight styles, including long range. The easy assembly and replaceable arms simplify maintenance, appealing to pilots of all skill levels. It aims to deliver a sturdy yet performant platform with a visually appealing design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.